Things that carpet cleaners consider before cleaning the carpets. Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne is one of the most renowned companies that offer carpet steam cleaning in Melbourne. Here, we have some of the best cleaners to make your carpet fully clean. Also, our carpet cleaners consider a few things before commencing the cleaning procedure, which includes removing the dirt and dust, removing the odors, removing the stains, removing mold growth, removing insects. Our carpet cleaning experts in Melbourne consider these points to ensure that your carpets turn out to be fully clean. As we are awarded as the best carpet and upholstery cleaners in Melbourne by Australian Enterprise. Call us at 1-800-960-244. Contact us at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us at bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.